Hello and welcome to Wannabe. In this video, I will talk about dietary fiber, which has many roles in preventing various diseases such as heart attacks and high blood pressure, metabolic disorder such as obesity and diabetes, intestinal problems such as constipation, diverticulitis, gallstones, appendicitis, hemorrhoids, polyps, and colon cancer. Dietary fiber consists of non-digestible carbohydrates and lignin that are intrinsic and intact in plants. This includes plant non-starch polysaccharides, for example, cellulose, pectin, gums, hemicellulose, and fibers, and also oligosaccharides, lignin, and some resistant starch. Fiber is divided into two categories. Number 1 is soluble fiber and number 2 is insoluble fiber. Soluble fiber are helped in reducing the cholesterol in the blood, and also these slows down the digestion and the sudden release of energy, especially from carbohydrates into the bloodstream, thus maintains the blood sugar level. Fruits, vegetables, lentil, beans, oat, barley, oatmeal, potatoes, dried fruit, soya milk, and soya products are the good sources of soluble fiber. Insoluble fibers are promoting the growth of certain bacteria that helps in fermentation of the food material and thus makes waste material soft and bulky, which in turn passes quickly through the intestinal and anus. It also prevents constipation, bowel cancer, irritable bowel syndrome, hemorrhoids, and diverticulitis. Bran, bread, wholemeal flour, brown rice, whole grain cereals, vegetables, peels of fruits, nuts, and seeds are the good sources of insoluble fibers. Diet containing high fiber helps in preventing various gastrointestinal disorders such as constipation, diverticular disease, irritable bowel syndrome, and Crohn's disease. It has been also found that dietary fibers are best for prevention and treatment of other diseases of gastrointestinal disorders such as cholelithiasis, duodenal ulcers, hemorrhoids, and hernias. Dietary fiber is also helpful for prevention of colon cancer. A high fiber diet may help in controlling the blood sugar level. Particularly soluble fiber can slow the absorption of sugar, thus it helps in improving blood sugar level. A diet that includes insoluble fiber has been associated with a reduced risk of developing type 2 diabetes. Soluble fiber helps in lowering total blood cholesterol level by lowering low-density lipoprotein or bad cholesterol level. The studies have shown that increased fiber in the diet can reduce blood pressure and inflammation, thus prevents heart disorders. High fiber foods generally require more chewing time, which gives your body time to register when you are no longer hungry, so you are less likely to overeat. And high fiber diets also tend to be less energy dense, which means they have a fewer calories for the same volume of food. Although fiber is the most important for the health, but eating a large amount of fiber can cause various problems. A large intake of fiber may lead to flatulence, bloating, and abdominal cramps. Large intake of fiber may also interfere with the absorption of minerals such as iron, zinc, magnesium, and calcium. But this happens rare because high fiber foods are typically rich in minerals. So I hope friends, with this video I was able to give you some information about dietary fiber and its importance. If you found this video helpful, Make sure to do support this channel. Stay healthy. Thank you.